Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on replacing the hard drive in your Acer Aspire E17 laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your components from static electricity. First, power off your laptop and unplug it from the wall. Remove the battery by sliding the lock and lifting it away from the laptop. This is crucial to avoid any electrical shorts during the replacement process. Next, locate the access panel on the bottom of the laptop. You will need to unscrew the screws securing this panel. There are usually 3 or 4 screws, so keep them organized to avoid confusion later. Once removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the access panel. Be careful not to damage any clips. Now, with the access panel removed, you should see the hard drive bay. The hard drive is typically secured with an additional bracket or screws. Carefully unscrew these, and gently lift the hard drive out of its bay. If you notice any dust buildup, this is an excellent time to clean the area with compressed air. If you're upgrading to a larger hard drive or switching to a solid-state drive (SSD), ensure that your new drive is compatible with the Acer Aspire E17. If you don't have the tools or experience to do this, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, take your new hard drive and slide it into the bay at an angle, ensuring the connectors align properly with the socket. Press down firmly and secure it with the bracket or screws you previously removed. Once secured, double-check that everything is in place. Before closing up, it's a good idea to connect your laptop to power and turn it on to ensure that the new hard drive is recognized by the BIOS. If everything is functioning correctly, power off the laptop again and proceed to replace the access panel. Reattach the access panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Then, screw it back in securely. Reinsert the battery, and you're almost done. Finally, power on your laptop one more time. If everything went smoothly, your new hard drive should be ready to format and install your operating system. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us for help. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to make any calls or travel. In conclusion, replacing the hard drive in your Acer Aspire E17 is a straightforward process with the right tools and guidance. If you prefer to leave it to the professionals, remember that we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and no surprises. Enjoy your upgraded laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.